Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Shangri-La Makati experience.
So we're now here at Makati Shangri-La in a fantastic Christmas decor. So maganda talaga pag Shangri-La may festive season. So they have this and may gingerbread din sa kabila. So may room na tayo, early check-in 11:27 and check out natin later yung mga kainan dito. So, nandito yung buffet, lobby lounge. Ganda pa rin yung lobby lounge. Parang pare-pareho yung style. Ay, ba? Sunod ako. Tapos, ito yung staircase. Tapos, sa taas yung iba pa nilang rest.
Saan tayo kakain bukas?
Sa Shang Palace. Kain tayo ng Yamcha Feast.
Tapos, saan na tayo?
Na tayo, pupunta ng room. So, sana maganda ito. Ayan, yung pigeon din kaya. So, may mga specialty pa. Ayan, samahan natin siguro yan.
Okay.
Halika na rin tayo.
Pero hindi ka daw pumalungkot. Okay. Okay. Dito. Okay.
Hindi po malapit po sila sa elevator.
Dulo. Dulo nga to.
Wow.
Wow. Mukhang binigyan nga tayo na maganda rin.
Sige, love na natin si Mamsh.
Si Ma'am Rachel. Hi! Welcome to Makati Shangri-La! And now we're here on deluxe room. And I would say yung room nila is very big. Ayan. So we book a twin room deluxe. And ayan. Pero maganda corner yung binigay sa ating room ni Madam. So we used our points here in Shangri-La kasi mag-expire na rin. So sayang no kung mag-expire. So para magkaroon tayo ng staycation. And ayan yung view, ang ganda.
Wow.
So punta tayo dyan sa Ayala Triangle mamaya.
Ayun na nga pala yung triangle na.
Na.
Ang galing.
Tapos, ang dami na ng puno, no?
Nakatuwa.
Tapos ito yung peninsula. Ayan. Tapos, ano tong village na to? Dasma ba? Or...
Ewan ko. Basta village.
Basta village. So, yung decor nila medyo outdated na. Parang sa Kuala Lumpur din, no? So, tsaka sa EDSA siya. Pero okay naman. Laki yung room. Humingi tayo ng extra pillow. Tapos, extra water din. And, binigyan tayo ng chocolate. Tapos, wala lang silang Nespresso. The machine. Ayan. Tapos, marami naman silang may sleepers. Parang alam ko yung extra. Ayan, extra. Extra large. Tapos, dito, ayan, may spa rin daw. May bathtub pa rin. Yun yung maganda dito. Sa fort kasi wala nang bathtub. And, ang pinaka-importante,
may bidet.
And may shower din pala.
10 out of 10.
Yung nila yung luma. Yung yun, yung Shangri-La.
Pero malaki at least yung lotion.
Wala yung shaving kit.
Yay, malaki yung lotion.
Humingi ako ng shaving kit. So, ngayon pwede na sa app mag-order before your stay.
Okay, so far?
So far,
points-wise,
okay
verdict?
Parang sulit naman yung points redemption natin. So, mahalin natin ang sarili natin. Dito tayo nag-redeem sa Philippines. Ayun lang. See you on our next vlog. Kainan yun.
Bye-bye. Happy anniversary! Ganda, no?
Parang sandwich.
Kainin natin mamaya. Makati Shangri-La is conveniently located near the famous malls here in Makati. So there's a lot to explore when you are here. In our case, we explored the nearby restaurants for a quick lunch. Then we head to the swimming pool of the hotel. Outdoors yan.
Maganda rin yung pool. Parang hindi ganito yung naalala ko nung nag-trial ako ng health club dito.
Mas maganda ba?
Parang naman, naging model. Siguro in-upgrade niya. Kasi yan, tingnan mo.
Bye!
Bye! See you!
Hi! Squid something, sisig rice, pansit, tas lapu-lapu na lang.
Hi! So, tapos na ang ating paglalakad ng more than 20 minutes. Galing tayo sa Dusit Thani and dumaan tayo sa Glorieta. So, ang dami ng bago. And, maganda yung experience natin kasi lapit lang tong Makati, Shangri-La. So, yun. So, if pipili kayo ng hotel din dito sa Makati area, ayan, I would highly suggest itong Makati Shangri-La for convenience and comfort. Ayun lang. See ya! Merry Christmas!
Ayan, sweetheart, saan tayo punta?
Punta tayo sa Shangri-La.
Okay, so hindi kami nag-breakfast. At pinili namin ito for today's video. Yeah.
Taro puff po with minced pork and prawns sa ating dim sum feast na bake naman po.
Pwedeng recommend ka na lang.
Recommend
Muna,
na lang
na
po.
first
Sige po.
round. Tapos, order na lang
For
kami.
the second round, it must be this one po.
Tapos, singi kaming hot.
The following are some clips of our Yumcha experience, and this is highly recommended. We love the spread that was served to us. It was well portioned, and this is definitely a must try. Special shout out to our sponsor who paid for our meal in this episode. Anywho, thank you very much everyone for watching, and just right after our feast, maybe a few hours after that, we headed towards the gym for a quick unwinding, and then that's the end of our Shangri-La Makati adventure. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.